Good afternoon. We are Paula Becerra,
Jimena Garzón,
Mateo Chuconta,
Sebastián Cumbe.
and we are going to talk about Manufacturas de la Sabana.
we want to show a little bit of the company, so come here. You can see the different machines that the company use for the different process. Okay, Manufacturas de la Sabana was established in 1999. This company was established in La Paz, Ipaquirá. This company produced different articles for the decoration of footwear, and the most important customers now is Manisol S.A. And this company produces shoes, but the company has also different customers like Bata, Benos, Bubble Gums, and other ones.
Bottleneck. According to the manager, there is no bottleneck because their processes are relatively simple, like the cut of the shapes for the reeds of the boots and the die cutting. Maybe the process that takes the longest is the sealing process, but every single product that goes in goes out.
Okay, for the capacity analysis, we are going to analyze the sealing process. The sealing process consists into machines that in the manuals are going to estimate 180 products per day. Also, we estimate that the effective time and the scheduled shutdowns that the company have is 2 hours, including the 8 hours that they work per day. For this, we calculate the effective time and capacity in 130 products per day, including the non-scheduled shutdowns that are 30 minutes. We calculate the real capacity in 110 products per day for this company. Also, the capacity this company didn't have also satisfy the demand of the month and don't have inventory in their process. So this is a problem that we identify.
The waste. The approximately waste of the company is about 2%. They calculate by using a ratio. They also, with the waste, they usually sell to a near company, but this disposal has to be from PVC.
And we find the company the next following waste: plastic, metals, and synthetic materials. The first one, plastic, we found that the products that they waste is the products that they use to produce the reeds for boots,
For some products. And the metals, they use metals for the molds for the sealing process, because the metal, what it does is to give a set off of the reeds, and when the mold is not usable again, they have to toast it. And in the synthetic material is the most common product to use for the reeds of the boot, for example, bubble gummers.
Approximately, the company has waste of 30 kilograms.
Very much.
Okay, so now moving on to the strengths that we find in the company. One of the strengths is that the company has the ability to complete all their orders because they have the right capacity to develop and manufacture these required orders. Also, the company is able to supply the future demand of 6 months because all of their orders are placed in 6 months of advance or more. So on opportunities we consider the company could increase, could improve, are taking into account that the company has currently zero inventory because they only manufacture the demand that is placed by the clients, hiring more operators for each of the two machines, which currently have only 3 workers, but can obtain maximum capacity by hiring more operators from 5 to 7 in order to increase its productivity and leave in stock material for future orders that could be placed. So, taking in account that the company wants to launch ProPet, which is a new line of products, especially designed for pets, the company could take advantage of this by taking the wastes from their first product line and placing them in order to satisfy the demand of the second product line, which would be the ProPet, which are materials that are very small. They require a smaller size. The company must take greater care of the fabrics in order to increase its useful life. They must also establish and standardize effective methodologies to track their waste disposals and calculate exact percentage month to month. They must improve this way they measure their wastes, and they must also become eco-friendly by obtaining more certifications and establishing environmental friendly practices. Okay, so thank you very much. That's all.